We all use Google on a regular basis, but did you know that you can actually get paid for using this easy Google trick? First and foremost, I want to show you evidence that this actually works, so you can see that there is $237,000 that is paid. I'll refresh it again so you can see that the $237,000 will remain there. Using this easy Google trick, you can also see all of these people from all over the world being charged every couple of minutes over and over again. You have no idea how lucky you are to click on this video. Before starting this video, I request you to subscribe my channel and leave a like below. To begin, go to this very familiar website called Google, so go to google.com for the first move. Stage 2 is to go to the Google Digital Garage, which is found at learndigital.com. This is a place where you can get new skills for a digital environment directly from Google, as well as a certification after completing all of the free courses. Now you need to scroll down and click Browse Courses button. As you click, you will get lot of courses from Google. Also you will get certification after you complete this free course. But you don't need to learn anything or need any previous knowledge for this. Step number 2, copy this page link and go to googledocs.com and write a very good and attractive paragraph including the link that you copied. Now all you have to do is save this paragraph as a PDF file. Step 3, now go to this website, upload it forever, and register to this website. Now scroll down and click the Upload Files button to be taken to this page, where you must now upload your PDF file. After your uploading completes, now you will be able to get your download link right here. All you have to do is copy this link. Step 4, go to facebook.com and search for digital marketing. Go to the Group tab. You can find many groups with many followers. All you have to do now is make a post in these group, or you can go to quora.com and type in digital marketing to get a list of questions to answer, in order to get more people to click on your link. Simply write an engaging paragraph with your link and answer to the following questions to get more clicks for your link. The more you get click, the more you earn. You can see your account balance in here. As the clicks increases, the balance also increases. After you get some balance here, you can request your payout here. So that's how you make money from Google, by using this simple Google trick. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for taking the time to watch this incredible video.